I'm Melissa.
And I'm Lisa.
We're realtors in the Shenandoah Valley.
We love where we live, and we can't wait to show you.
Welcome to the channel.
I am looking down at my feet, and I keep thinking, okay, so I'm in Churchville in this beautiful pasture land, and underneath my feet is limestone.
Yes.
So then we have limestone, and then beneath that, there's the possibility that we have a cavern underneath us.
That's right.
I don't know. It could also be anywhere from here to those mountains and back. And I think that's the mind-blowing part of living here in the valley, particularly in this region, is the fact that we do have a lot of limestone here, and we do have some undiscovered caverns, and some of them are discovered.
They are, yes. And our area with that has so many limestone quarries as well. So it definitely is high in limestone and lots of hidden caverns everywhere.
Yeah, exactly.
And south of us, there's all the caves that people go. What is it? Kerplunking? Where they go caving?
Spelunking.
Spelunking, not kerplunking.
I hope you don't kerplunk.
Spelunking.
If the road breaks, it's kerplunk.
It's kerplunk. So I know there's tons of that. I know the high schoolers, at least when my kids were in high school, the biology classes took groups down and they went caving. So it's really
Grand Caverns has that.
Yes.
They have kerplunking, spelunking,
and
they have something called the gauntlet, which sounded terrifying to me. But I think if you're like one of those adventurers, that would be perfect, where you're literally doing belly crawls and rolls and things like that.
Little claustrophobia sets in for me.
But I will say I did not feel claustrophobic in the least doing their regular walking tour, and I have done tours before in caverns. I have to say this was my favorite one.
Yeah.
And I know you've been there before.
I have. When I taught school in Augusta County, we would take our sixth graders there every year. It was a great tour, beautiful cavern.
Yeah.
Tour guides were amazing. The hands-on at the end was always fun for them. So it really is one of the best around our area, not too far from home.
Yeah, great for educational purposes or for a family day.
Exactly.
And 100 acres all around.
To explore.
Pooh Bear would love it. Right? But there's like so much to do there. So since I had a chance to do that and take my family, I just wanted to let you know and let all of you know. So take a look at my experience.
Check it out.
peaceful in here. It's also the perfect temperature for me.